Okay, we're just another 12 miles down the road, about 20 miles from Orderville, and we're going to the Moqui Cave. There's also some sand caves here, and but anyhow, they just made these right in the side of the mountain, and they have a dinosaur thing up here. You want to go over there and take a picture by the Moqui Cave sign? Okay, let's go get one by the Moqui Cave sign. And here are our favorite guests. They are John and Hilda. Hey, you guys got anything exciting to say?
Not really.
No,
Okay.
because we are so shy.
All right.
Okay, I want to post here.
Oh, and look at all the glass windows they put in there. Oh, that's nice. Okay.
Welcome to my humble abode. So this is the inside. Look at that. It's a cave. And there's Ati Hilda.
Come on in. If you guys want to just step over here in front of this display, it gives you some direction, and then you can go on your own, okay?
Look at those stuff. That's so pretty, gems. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my
Kind of a little petrified wood over here.
Oh, I love those blue, aqua blue.
Yeah.
That's so beautiful.
This septarian, this is actually a local stone. It's found in. So if you look at this series of photos up here,
That's probably you up there, John.
Amazing.
you can see what the cave looked like back in 1951.
That's amazing.
By Laura Chamberlain.
Look at those rocks.
That's here, the Linden Canal.
These are like totally like gem. Like I want this, all of it.
That one, can we take that home? My work will
Yeah.
That's so beautiful. Look at them.
My great-grandparents, great-great-grandparents.
There he goes again. So we go here inside, and look at that pictures in there. It's like a cowboy thing. There's a lot of stuff. Oh, I like these chairs.
A lot of these, see these Indian,
Yeah, these Indian
Arrow.
artifacts.
these are all arrowheads.
Yeah, yeah, those.
I think they're getting hard to even own anymore. You know, a lot of
Look at
old
those.
stuff.
The Indians made them. Like that one there. That's how they do the hunting some of the animals.
Is that real?
And look at these. Like these people. So these are real dinosaur tracks. Like that. You can see them there. They got a lot of cool things here in the museum. See another
Wow.
dinosaur tracks. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. See, I want to see a real dinosaur alive. Just kidding. That's really amazing. They got lots of cool things here. And
You want that in the glass there?
I know
Spider in
there's
glass.
like spider in glass.
Oh, jeez.
Pretty. But no,
So, what are these teeth from here?
shark's teeth.
Shark's teeth? Wow,
Shark's
you get
teeth.
shark's teeth.
I know. It's like a lot of pretty things.
These are pretty, yeah.
I know I want those, but they're $30. But if I were gonna have a souvenir, I always love those.
Love you really, 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 really.
So,
actually reach that. The cave wasn't very deep. Way back then. Hey, that's what you're looking at. You're right, sir.
Oh, look, there's an Indian guy and an Indian lady. So, this is a big cave. So here it's just like some glow in the dark stuff. It's glow in the dark. See, like that. Battery low. Oh my goodness. Battery low.
We are in the same cave. We come in here to have a black light, and so there's all these things all over on the walls. These girls are having the funnest times of their life. We had some good music. This used to be a dance hall, by the way.